This daily habit is making your back pain worse. Fix it today. Do you suffer from nagging back pain that just won't go away? You might be unknowingly making it worse with a simple daily habit: poor posture while sitting. Whether you're working at a desk, binge watching your favorite show, or scrolling through your phone, your posture plays a crucial role in your spine's health. How sitting incorrectly worsens back pain. Many of us spend hours sitting each day, and most of the time, we do it incorrectly. Slouching, hunching forward, or sitting for prolonged periods without movement can put immense stress on your spine. Here's what happens when you sit with bad posture. Increased pressure on the spine. Slumping forward causes unnecessary pressure on the discs in your lower back, leading to pain and discomfort. Tightened hip flexors. Sitting for too long shortens and tightens your hip flexors, which pulls on your lower back and causes stiffness. Weakened core muscles. When you slouch, your core muscles are disengaged, making your back work harder than it should. Over time, this leads to muscle imbalances and chronic pain. Signs your sitting posture is hurting your back. Not sure if your sitting habits are to blame for your pain? Here are some telltale signs. Lower back stiffness, especially after long periods of sitting. Pain that worsens when standing up from a chair. Tension in the neck, shoulders, and upper back. Numbness or tingling in the legs due to poor circulation. How to fix your sitting posture today? The good news: you can fix this habit right now with a few simple adjustments. 1. Sit with proper alignment. Keep your feet flat on the floor and your knees at a 90-degree angle. Your lower back should be supported by your chair or use a small lumbar pillow. Sit up straight with your shoulders relaxed, not hunch forward. 2. Adjust your workstation. Your computer screen should be at eye level to avoid slouching. Keep your keyboard and mouse at a comfortable height so your elbows stay at a 90-degree angle. Use an ergonomic chair with lumbar support or add a cushion if necessary. 3. Take frequent breaks. Stand up and stretch every 30 to 45 minutes. Try the 9-0-9-0-9-0 rule. Sit for 90 minutes, stand for 90 seconds, and stretch for 90 seconds. Walk around to improve circulation and prevent stiffness. 4. Strengthen your core. A strong core helps support your spine and maintain good posture. Try simple exercises like planks, pelvic tilts, bridges. 5. Use a standing desk. If possible, switch between sitting and standing throughout the day. A sit-stand desk can reduce back strain and keep your posture in check. Final thoughts: your back pain might not be from a serious condition, it could just be your sitting habits. Making small changes like improving your posture, taking breaks, and strengthening your core can make a huge difference. Don't wait until the pain gets worse. Fix your posture today and give your back the relief it deserves.